Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Doro 8100 and let me share with you how to enable the nightlight or eye comfort mode. So let's start with the customization. So we have to open the settings, and then let's scroll and find display. And now let's localize the eye comfort mode. You can turn it on with the usage of this switcher. As you can see, after activating, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, which is in order to filter the blue light. We can enter this eye comfort to customize it even more. We can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. So it's of course up to you which level is the most comfortable for you. We can also schedule that feature. None option is manual option. We can turn it on at custom time, so we can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the eye comfort accordingly. Or we can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, so it's up to you. So this is the customization, and if you want to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and now we have to find the eye comfort icon, which is right here. After tapping on it, you can apply it and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.